Welcome to Project Chef. Other than a knife, there are other sharp kitchen tools that help us with cutting ingredients. Let's look at some. Melon Baller. The Melon Baller or Parisienne scoop is a handy tool. This tool safely removes the core from apples or pears. There's no waste and it's just plain fun to use. Place the scoop over the core. Give a little push into the ingredient, lift the handle, twist and turn. Out pops the core. Use the scoop to gouge out the sepal or ex-flower blossom from the fruit. Box grater. This sharp tool is shaped like a box. It's used to grate ingredients into smaller pieces, from superfine to larger pieces. To safely use this tool, with one hand, push down on the grater handle. Hang onto your ingredient with the hand you write your name with. Grip the ingredient with a claw so your fingers are safe and the ingredient is steady. Grate up and down. Move the ingredient around if your fingers get too close to the little grater blades. Always stop when you don't feel safe. Flat grater. A flat grater can also be used to grate things, but be careful that it doesn't slip. Here we use a damp paper towel to stop it from slipping. Grip the grater with one hand. Hang onto the ingredient with your other hand, fingers curled like a claw to protect them. Grate up and down. After, to safely remove the bits, tap both sides of the grater on the cutting board or into a bowl. Microplane. This is a handy grater, but you need to keep safety in mind as it's made up of many tiny knives. Using a microplane is a two-person job. One person holds onto the microplane and the bowl, and the other person hangs onto the ingredient. Get a good grip on what you're cutting and grate back and forth over the little blades. Keep your knuckles out of the way or they'll get grated too. Tap the microplane on the rim of the bowl to take off what you've grated. This tool can be used to grate citrus peels, hard cheeses like Parmesan cheese, or garlic cloves. Always remember to stop when you don't feel safe. If you are cooking by yourself, another way to grate or zest citrus fruits is to hold onto the fruit with a good grip, then carefully drag the microplane across the peel to just remove the brightly colored skin. Vegetable peeler. A vegetable peeler is a very sharp tool, so use it carefully. Get a good grip on the handle of the peeler and not on the blade. Hang onto the ingredient with a good solid grip. Peel away from yourself and turn the ingredient a little after each peeling motion. Keep your thumb protected. If peeling a large ingredient, peel the bottom half first, then flip and peel the other half. We don't use this tool a lot as we like to eat the peels of many fruits and veggies. They're full of fiber and nutrition. If you do choose to peel your ingredient, think about safety and use this tool carefully. Spoon. Peeling ginger. Even a teaspoon or a soup spoon can sometimes be used in place of a knife. When peeling fresh ginger, using a spoon is safer and there's much less waste. Hold the spoon way down in the bowl of the spoon. Use the edge of the spoon to scrape off the peel from this tasty but gnarly tuber. Do the best you can scraping away from you. If there's a few bits left behind, that's okay. With any ingredient, clean up your work area and put the bits in the compost. Wipe down your cutting board. Spoon. Removing avocado pits. We recommend using a soup spoon for removing avocado pits. Hospital emergency rooms have a term for accidents that happen when using a knife for this job: avocado hand. Instead, use a spoon, sliding it around the pit or seed, and pop it out. Now, you're ready to cut almost anything.